What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick review on the cryptocurrency mastermind course. This cryptocurrency mastermind course is by far the most complete course I have seen on cryptocurrencies, teaching you everything from swing trading to investing to understanding the fundamentals of market cap and volume of these currencies. So I'll introduce you to the instructors. Michael Shimiles and Edward Ornelas are your instructors for the cryptocurrency mastermind course. Michael Shimiles, he is your go-to guy for everything that has to do with ICOs, about investing them, how to research the white papers, find out if they've got a good team or not. He will go through all of that with you. Edward Ornelas is the man when it comes to reading the charts and understanding technical analysis and figuring out good buy-in opportunities and when you should be selling. Also, he ensures that you know when not to FOMO, which is very important. In the course, you're going to find an introduction to cryptocurrency and how fiat works, and a little bit of economics, mindset, how to overcome some challenges and understand market fluctuations as well. They're going to introduce you to the resources and tools that they use themselves to invest and trade cryptocurrencies, which exchanges that they're using, advanced technical analysis by Edward Ornelas, what ICOs are and how to research ICOs by Michael Shimiles, and fundamental analysis, understanding coin market cap and how the volume works, how that all ties in, and how you get your bottom single token value price. They also show you how to track your portfolio with a couple of applications. One easy to use one is Blockfolio. I believe it's on iOS and it is on Android. One way I'm actually going to be tracking my portfolio going forward is through Google Sheets, and I'll briefly touch on that, and I will show in another video how to set that up, how you can track your own cryptocurrencies in the Google Excel sheets. Also in the course, you're going to be getting extras and access to the private Discord group. Now that Discord group is incredible. I have had the opportunity to get in on many new upcoming things thanks to the Discord group, because it's just a group of people in there sharing what they're currently going through, what opportunities are coming up, and if it wasn't for that Discord group, there are many opportunities I would have missed out on. So I'm very thankful for that Discord group, and that is only available to course members. Just the Discord group itself, in my opinion, I feel is just worth the price of the course itself. If it wasn't for the Discord group, my portfolio wouldn't be where it is today. So as you can see here in these pictures, this is my portfolio right now. As you can see right down here, I started at about $1,200, give or take, and this was before I found Michael and Edward's course. So I bought some Bitcoin. I was doing a little bit of trading. Things were kind of looking okay, and then I decided to get a little bit cocky, and I saw some coins going up. I'm like, oh, great, perfect opportunity to invest in some different altcoins. So I did some investing, some swing trading. Was mostly FOMOing, and FOMOing, if you don't know, is fear of missing out. And what happened was I was seeing some coins shoot up, so I'm like, oh, this is an amazing opportunity to get some gains here. So I invested after already it was going up, and it almost seemed every time I moved my money and put it into a different altcoin, that would drop, and I would lose a bunch of money. And then I would do the opposite of what you're supposed to do. I would sell after it dropped. So I was investing high, selling low, which is the exact opposite what you should be doing. So as you can see here on this chart, I FOMO'd, lost a bunch of money. So I had $1,200, dropped down to about $800, give or take, and made a couple good investments, but still really had no idea what the hell I was doing. And then I found Michael and Edward's course. I kind of looked into it a little bit. I followed them a little bit on YouTube, and then I decided to purchase the course, and I'm so thankful I did. After using the strategies taught in the course, I was able to make a couple of very successful swing trades. The Discord group has helped tremendously as well, bringing up some more opportunities. And then you can see here this massive increase. This is thanks to ICOs. Now, ICOs are initial coin offerings. Michael lives and breathes ICOs. He knows how to invest. He knows how to research. He explains everything you need to know. That's probably one of the biggest parts of the course is the ICO research. And it's huge because that's definitely where you have the potential to make most of your money. Now, this definitely is not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm just sharing my experience personally, like what has happened with me. And I've made my biggest gains with these ICOs. By the end of next week, my portfolio should be double this, because I got a couple of ICOs that I'm waiting for the tokens to come back on. They're just completing their token sales now. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm going to be using those funds to invest in even more ICOs. So it's very exciting opportunities. And yeah, absolutely, you guys can watch some YouTube videos and learn how to do some of this stuff. What I liked about this course, it's everything in one spot. Absolutely incredible content. You're not sitting there left out in the dark and anything. If you have any questions, you can just go into the Discord group and you can ask Michael or Edward directly, and they usually respond to any questions within 24 hours. It's incredible having that ability to reach out to the instructors in the course and ask them any questions. So over here is the Excel spreadsheet that I will be using. I haven't set this up yet. But with this Excel spreadsheet, it's actually through Google Sheets. I can access this on my phone or on my computer. So if I'm doing any trades on the computer, I can input the data and then I can access that information from my phone. So while I'm out, I can check in on it and see exactly where my portfolio is. Where the downside with Blockfolio, you can only get that on your phone. So when you're at your computer or laptop or whatever, you're constantly pulling your phone out to update it and check to see what's going on. And I do most of my trades on the computer, so having something accessible right on the computer is essential for me. So here's kind of a look at what the Discord group looks like. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Discord. I'm sure some of you have never used it before. Before this cryptocurrency mastermind group, I didn't even know that this was an application. You can get this on iOS, Android, and PC, probably on Mac as well, I would imagine. And as you can see here, everyone's just kind of like sharing what's going on and giving people advice, and also putting news in here as well. So any upcoming news for ICOs and currencies. If there's going to be an increase in price on something, people can come in here and quickly inform everybody and let everybody know what's kind of going on in the cryptocurrency world. It's very, very good asset to have in your back pocket for when these opportunities are coming up. Here's my Excel sheet for ICO investments that I've recently done. As you can see, my first one was November 22nd. I invested in Simple Token. So as you can see here, the initial coin offering price was 9 cents a token, which has gone up 5 times. It's now currently at 65 cents the last time I checked. So that's a 5 times increase. So that was a good investment. Super happy about Simple Token. Bread was a good investment as well. I sold a little bit early, like it's worth a bit more now, but that's okay. Like I still made 200% on that, which is a 3 times increase on my initial investment. And I've got 2 more coming up. I've got the Pareto Network and GDAX, which I'm excited for both of those. They should be pretty good investments. I can't wait for them to hit an exchange. If you found this video helpful, guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. If there are any other videos you want to see about cryptocurrencies, let me know, and I will do my best to make those videos. I plan on making more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.